A beautiful evening to you wherever you're watching live. Indeed, I am much pleased to have you watch this live telecast. This is OPATAFUOR TV. Kindly subscribe in case if you haven't. And in case this is your first time watching me. Mechiachia mu nyina nwumre ba bia wo hwe ni bia no. Enim se Nyankopon adawro ma bibia ye. Ntimi ma mu nyina kwa aba ade ba OPATAFUOR TV. OPATAFUOR TV. Bibia koso kama. Mse nyame adom ti. Bibia hoye. Mechia mu nyina nwumre ba bia wo bia mechia nwumre ba bia wo bia mechia mu nyina Sofjima me pacho mechia wait me leave you comment na mabo din na machia kama ochia me anam so machia na ayefe nipa de yegide enti bomode ochia me anam so machia na ayefe na ayefe bomode na chia me bomode na chia me na mesume nchia na nyefe bomode na chia me na mesume nchia me chia mu nyina Shadrach Yeboah Dr. Odro Robert, let's say I have an unfinished assignment with you and your father. Nana J Junior, Bacho Michiao, Yao Ofori, Michiamo, Mary Boatima Michiao, Doreen Sewa Brefo, et say Bibia Boko Nkwalanoe, Nzinya Meato, Ubia Hoye. Kunodu Mary, Henry Glover, greetings to you, Senior Augustina Aqua, Ebenezer Dunya, Bishop Belinda Brown. I salute some mommy, I believe somewhere. Aaron Boate, Echan Apia Asante, Elizabeth Odro, Mom, how you doing? I believe you're doing great. I'm here, Queer Beauty, how you doing? Panda Mots Media, Paul Suman, Mavis Nyanko, Alice Ochre Nyako, salute you all. Yes. Chenche, Nana Wadaruma, Michia when you ring. Wow. Big ups to you all. Tonight, I've got something special to discuss with you people. I've got some 1 hour time to bid goodbye to you people. So, kindly share this live telecast with a lot of people for me as much as you can. Try. Lord Mensa Loga. Ivedubuahe. Manchiano Crontias. Now, Asantua Boaju. Michiao. Now, Maminu Ninko be a very short one. Ebenezer Hinite Chimichiao. Maminu Ninko Mobi. Me pacho Reverend Adakwa me bajamichia charity and saying, Victor, I salute you. Majority of you people, you have not gotten your directions. Those don't worry. Me de be mam why me de be mam na me pese me yi taught be. I want say me no more din komo sa me pese me yi taught be free mutrim. So na be ya me ma akwankyira wo de wakoma nyina be ye. Shina, it say I believe so here. Now, get back to business. Mr. Owa will share with you. Nancy, because of some inconveniences, you may be of our LP channel, our America by, and the channel was Hey TV. But because of technical problems, she say TV no yasasano, ni dino aye Rhyme TV, intimpacho Rhyme TV. Rhyme TV. We because a rhyme no you spelling it say R-I-M-E. It is no more Hey TV. Now it is Rhyme TV. R-I-N-E. That particular channel is dedicated for intellectual discourse, and I believe say obetima say how there on tebrofo a but is ho kra who's a channel ne ba na wadwane. OPATAFUOR and his fans, I love you people, enough respect. Akwabia send you account say hey OPATAFUOR young guy bi o enso painful na di nachi sanity onyame adom sanity. Okay, Rhyme TV and I Maxwell also boating as well the ato kama no. It is RIME. RIME. Then you add the TV to it. Go there right now and subscribe to it. Or after watching this live telecast, go there and subscribe to the channel. Now Thursday, 8 o'clock p.m. Pepe now tiho. Now tiho. Udonya bo Rhyme TV. You won't say yaba. Fefe. Won't say yaba. Fefe. Now I'm tired to say yiba. It will bear 1.6, 1.7 subscribers. A year, Rhyme TV. Just been boating. A pacho, mechiao, maybe I will be a. TDA, a yiba. Now what subscribe? Your network and a hard journey. Network and a hard journey, but a band, they fun, sir. TDA. Network and a hard journey, but a fun, sir. Now, intimacy wrong, but more than a call, subscribe. We'll be see papa a whole motivational message. I'm so I will say, Ubi channel for fra. I will say, we test, ubot test, a friend test transmission. Into test transmission and I'm able. Test transmission and I'm able. You bought test transmission for 90 days, a year 3 months. Into your bayan until I'm son of my life. And to get that for me, into every Thursday, Biano. Now, Abia one say, channel a be ya, you know, channel no, a go viral. Now, my channel no, any hantino. You say, Abrofunu na ajia tumu, Abrofunu na ajia tumu, Tibeka crano, where you're gone and near, which I'm a cramming your show. And the only baby I end in 10 months and Abrofuna bejia tumu. Aye. Kwame apia selas, Rebecca craft for me, I mean few. Abrofunu nya background, for me, I mean few. You are searching for Prime TV, not Prime. Not Prime. It's Rhyme. RIME. Rhyme TV. Nanaji, Rhyme TV. Rhyme TV. Rhyme TV. RIME. Rhyme. Enti sanati mi chiachi mu nyina. Yeni nkomo bi anwumre na yanko. Yenua bi kan asem bi oye sofu ofrem no say prophet OPATAFUOR on timasio na say papa sofu na dey o US o say papa oya aware say good. Bishop Belinda Brown, thank you very much. It's RIME TV. What I say, good. To say the Bishop Belinda Brown, I type of the aton, a Rhyme TV. Obeka Krahona Abrofunu, into customers, I just over Rhyme TV. I had a local champions. I had them the charity Mudia, OPATAFUOR TV, the charity Mudianti. Read them a job. So come to Rhyme TV if you want an intellectual discourse, if you are a legal luminary, a medical expert, whoever it is, if you're a lecturer, a teacher, a banker, whoever, come to Rhyme TV. We've got something to surprise you. Come there. And back to what I was saying. So, me baby, or can betray me. On your background, literally, why a software also a one night, na him. Or say, Papa, minim say ministry. Enye easy. Na abrochire na owo no omo brepa ansana omanya members. Why sorry, almost 25 years. Ewa Bruchri. Atena Bruchri 25 years. Enye easy. Ministry enye easy man. Na Oba Ghana. And obeti sorry. Oba Ghana obeti sorry no. Ne ye na form. E musika wa spend the crown. Enye easy. Na the only thing I say. The way are members nya edin nenso so menya members ya na me se ma close church no na mama dom ni nyina abo ahwete but me bibia sorry am ba so a na dom bebre e de aba asa aba. So what is the secret? And I'm answer no. I'm cancel betray no. Where ye di me catch them say. Every man of God be an. You must know where you are to start your ministry and the purpose of God's calling upon your life. Now, when you discover some of these things, a honor na bemo wenye to me. Ne wahunu die esasa weye. Tieni yo, meni udi nkomo bi, me ka sembi di abisi asembi so. Enunti, mini me purpose, eni di enti a meti asasi we so. Enunti opatafuo mempere dom ho. Mempere church members ho, mempere dom ho. Enti no obi ti asori a. Bon se bi a members mba. Na okwa aduru so. Ne ja akobo jam kakra firi malam bi ho, okonfuo bi ho, anantafuo yinfuo bi ho. Na edom apu abegu ni nase. A lot of rituals and a cost. A dependent spirit to crowd a consult no any idea will be demanding. If you are able to meet the emotional, then no more put down the amount. But idea was say what you say. Me catch and say me enya don't na me tia asase we so. E duru mre bi aya na nipa refree no ho. Me mama madomo. Mamba madom. Emre bi me kan say me kire Mr. Osei. Me catch Mr. Osei say. Ewrade aka say bi a kire me na wayi ade bi so di a kire me. And because of sad nti. Me mpre me ho. Muhia na ya na wabusa no. Me mbese me kan wo ha. Eye revelations adi ye urade dan adi kire me ewo me ministry ho na me catch them say asma urade akani nti free ho no me relax with ministry and how to go with it enunti abra yesu ba asase we so no wampere dom ho one day wo ye adwuma na eno oba bi ko no hokọ catch them say owura Misro boa me na me ba yare enyoma nko yie ma no Yesu hwe nanim din na o ka kire nse wa ma obi a wa asase we so wa mba ma obi a wa asase we so nemo obama Israel nyanada na ayera no Israel nyanada no ayera no yo dwan bi wo ho a wa yera o you dwandada no odije komtumfu achi dadadada ena wayera sankrofo no ntina me bae Yesu beye bi ahosua beye bi ena wagya hokọ enti de obi antina meti asase we so enya members 10,000 enya members 15,000 enya members 100,000 enti na meti asase we so enti na me mpere no me mpere me ho Nyama bi wo ha me ya mo amudi machi no mo nte ase me mpere me ho because ma dom me boma enkrofo bi particular type of enkrofo bi omo ye nyanada omo ti Jacob tumfo nanse ansa no mu firi soro kra ba asase we so na majority of them bebrenim omo ho kra se omo ni nyame wa apam saa nkrofo no enti ne yeso ma me ye ka se memra magi wo mo enti nye obi a enti na me nenam a enti na me nya de empedom no omo pre am impiri bi de enti amaka no kra chro se me techere ma bomo jam enu nti me ntwantro me ka de ewom de chro se sei na tie and for whatever reason so can kra chro obi na se nipa no be ye offended e wa asema waka no ho a then you leave the person to oni nyankopon. That is it. Adia are hu pani obi a Jacob tumfo no de ne beba asase su ha bia must study the patterns of those people. Now one particular thing be adia bi one significant thing be etesi e was say nipa na brabom what the Moses eba tienio or the Moses eba asase we so. Look at the story of Moses. Any kwanya ye fast wa ye wu Moses said ye ntokwasi ya ye kotu Moses to twene ye de ne share basket mu to no to twene eposo. Huh? Look at what happened, what transpired when they gave birth to Moses. They wrapped him in a cloth and threw him onto the sea in a basket. Egypt for princess eko dware ya okohu na otam no di ne kofie ema Pharaoh Misrim for mpanyimfo ene tete eye Moses not knowing said the omo tete no a ofiri ahimfie ho no say wono na ebe sore kora wa ahimfie ho abenya tumi Jacob tumfo de na be ye adwuma na Moses life ade bi si Moses' life during the life of Moses, one significant thing this year. Now, ye Yesu, abra Yesu baye, adiye bi si we Yesu time. Tienye, adiye bi si we Yesu time. Abraham time, adiye sadye na se repeat no. Isaac time. Sa adie na repeating who Isaac time. Isaac be who Jacob time. Sa adie na sa repeating who. And then me twa adwena si asem bi so no ma mo ani ada ho e wa abrabo na wo bonim. Do ye sofo atie mi. O ye sofo maame atie mi. Said the onipa ban tie bia o ye teacher, no ye lecturer, o ye professor, o ye medical doctor tie mi. Wadaroma. Me nsa gu me nsa ye. The first time one me pacho no OPATAFUOR me pacho tie. Now in the likes of Jeremiah asembisi, Isaiah asembisi, prophet Ezekiel also so asembisi, the same thing is seen in life. So I realize say hey dear ya and the masanya manisi. Now dear ba dear na me patre dear me pesa me kire ne say sa adifo we nyina na omo wotumi a omo ba asase ne so no womo ana eben no pa omo anya oje womo ana eben sa adifo ni nyina no omo anya oje adentia because of what we call familiarism. There's a saying that familiarism breeds what we call contempt. Minimum personacy, minimum. Enuti, sa minimum no Entimi many penya oje. Moses time. Okay, kind Numbers chapter 12, verse number 1 down. Bible say Moses, any Miriam, any Aaron. San krofo we mienu e sori tia o mo ania Moses e wo nyame dwuma ni mu because eduru mire bi no na Moses ono ankasa ne yire a waware no na wo tete ni wo nyame dwuma ni mu enti wonante ba kusifo asase so e be twe mpana wo ho abra wo yi odifo saa de ni nti eto duduo na sintidua e ma wono ana sofo nketoa eye Korah, Dathan, and Abiram. Almost sorry tiad because of Sanyaman. Emma asafunum paying for 250. Asorin paying for elders in 250. Echo support to Korah, Dathan, and Abiram. When you read Numbers chapter 12, verse 1 downwards, it is there. Emma enduru mrebino. So Nyankopon kasa na Moses become par. Now they doubt it. They don't believe what Moses is saying. Because Moses akoye adie binti ama mu fi say enye nyame tumi no odinam. Then what happened next? One day omo ankasa omu nua Miriam ni Aaron, they withstood against him and they were not fortunate enough. Nyankopon esane ekese wo Moses pacho nanka initially in the punishment that God wanted to serve them with was to kill them instantly. And Moses rendered apology on their behalf. And God desisted from killing them. But God said something. He said, because of Mama as sanity, he can never let them go scot-free. So, Nyankopon and the kwata Miriam. And Moses nearby. The same thing. Enti ema Moses nua Aaron eduru mrebi no Nyankopon kun no to twene ane ye wuro Aaron atare e de share Aaron babema panyini esi ni sofo se o mesi na namu e friend Eliasa Miriam ne nasefo o manya oje because of what we call familiarity. Me twa adwene si bibi so ne adi nkomo bi me wi ana ma pon ne ekọ ene me pese me ma wakwankyere se me de man na obey afan onye so aye wasem tieni o and Simpson, thank you very much. Me kire wade now enunti Moses time to me Nyankopon de ma Moses say onfa nkwaji Misrimfo na wonyi wo mum onfa nji Israelfo emfiri Misrimfo nsem no eduru mire bi na Moses di tumi no ekum Israelfo na nkasa Moses timi born nsem na nipa 10,000 enipa 5,000 enipa 15,000 nipa 20,000 70,000 no wa born nsem no mo emu abie no ma wuram no wa kam na tum just like that. Nensusu in the actual sense no to me na Nyankopon di ma Moses no wamfa ma Moses say onfa say Israel fo what the ma Israel fo say what the ma Moses say onfa nji Israel fo nkwa nensu eduru mire bi no na Israel fo ahometie tienie Moses problem a wonya no wonyame mu nyina no eye enipa Israel fo the ma Moses nya problem and Nyankopon kesi Moses a owu ya wanya nkwaje e ma Messiah no ene kokuji no asamado enka Moses ne ho kire ne papa kwa here for us ni mekire wade we has no something else and then mo kan asem kitua bi ne mapoko eduru mire bi no Moses no akasa ne nua no ne fiefo kura wo firimu omu hansa ma wadi tumi no wadi kumu omutugu eduru mire bi na Moses na kosu yese the Israel for ni beye bi omunye because Moses kum sa ma na duru pempen so a ono ana sofo nketwa miensa omatimi asori ewurawura nsɔre manimu akeka nsɛm. Onuankasa, the younger pastors of Moses, they manipulated systems to be able to penetrate and invade the church members and tarnish the image of Moses to those members. And so it got to a point that this Dathan, Korah, and Abiram were able to win 250 church elders to support them. One day, things didn't go on well with Moses, so he had no option than to call them. Now, Moses said, no on Timmy beam, and I feel afraid, and Sonny Madina, and afraid Korah, Dathan, and Abiram says, some in free Yamedi, and never Chelamuni to me. Or more Mokofa, Kora, Edibesi, sense you goom, no candy of a canyon goom. We yet Nasasimu Pie. Emma, Korah, Dathan, and Abiram, or no one so funky to our resume. Asasimu be a many woman. Enti a many woman sana a who Israel for any woman supporting no. Afei na and Solomon anymore. Not 250 church elders no. Komu dame. Ahone Jeffrey suru be she woman. Enti eye Moses ya. Say to me na was what the jinipa. Osabe say nipa. Ke durum rebi no Moses anka no yes so asachira or how be a be wo de obi ameka bia onka kakra fe durum rebi no omo hwa ahometie ni asode a Israel for ya omo ye bibia Moses say ono de onku nipa biem onto obi aso biem eni dudu omo ye bia na Moses akoka kire urade e hona one day okoye okobo urade amane se the way Israel fosi hano na no odin tie ni yo o kan na urade se ko ade tia meba besra o man Israel ade tia onyankopon sane ye no e ho na urade ka tire Moses se ene day Israel fo nyina meku omu nyina amana ka wo Moses ene wo yire ene wo mana a wawo omu no na me de wo Moses wasefo akekere wo man na mafa Moses hwe nipa yi a Brawa brom Moses do nipa. But nipa who say Moses nye papa or ye evil. And so a nipa na man ayesa. E hona Moses buko to dwe pa urade chaw. E hona Moses buko to dwe pa urade chaw. Now kan Bible say na urade nu no ho wo bone anka wodi kodi wo man Israel. Ana onyame jaye so onku Israel ni bia. Etiafe Israel for ni ye bone a na Moses nkoka enkyere urade bia because koka onyame beba beku won eho and one day what happened next? What happened to Moses? And say on the woman nam and woman bre 3 days na o man no enya ensuo nom ye and woman call nyankopon ko ka tro say initially no o man no di Moses atam ene urade atam. So when you rade makabum and mo be ye free Misrim baby and ye aduane die say mo de ko bo sha asase so and wa me di mana sa nsuo kura ye nya bi no enti yaw eni areho wankasa omo bre one day and onyankopon e sha ase so de mana ebre wo de mana ebre wo a o man ni di mana na duru pempensuo bi and o man sako ka kire Moses say onko ka kire urade say mana na ode amo omo na enye de afono wo efiri say wo mu no mana no wo di ade atie wo di si wa na asai enti ko pese wo didi mabika e na ade no kora so no nyankopon aduane kora enye de ono Jacob tumfo na aduane enye de onim aduane ye aduane no wo di ka wano a ase emu kekaw o mfunu mu kaw enti wo mpe ene obusa wo mo say na edia pa no mo pe e ho na Israel fo mpayimfo no e ka kire mo say onko ka kire urade say one omo pe atatere ene monko sata mo no so no atatere ne monko no na ye the queen of heaven say aduane no omo pe ho na urade ankasa urade ka say se omu pe atatre ne monko dia enye sa na tie dia omu mu omu ho nyame ya aduma no papa a omu ko gina pona no ntwen no afi ade tie no Nyankopɔn bo epuni mu empata bebre begu ho no enti ombe ebegu pona no no ena Israelfo mpanyimfo ne omu ekɔ ye nyina omu sɔre ye edi twi Moses nam so ye no be se 2/3 of kroni de omu nyina kɔe omani agi because a monk ne nam aba omu bedi dia enjoy life nti omu ekɔ epona no nyina na Onyankopɔn pai fom ena ɔde omu nyina wura nkum omu tugu ye eye Moses ya afi oman no omu nkɔ bi ni sɛ eye onu Moses na aye eni nyame ahyehyɛ ho no ɔma sa amane no ato omu ena omu so Moses mu ne kasa atendidie omu gu n'anim ase gugugugugugu ati omu nam saa omu nyansuo nom Moses we nipa bonini Moses nyame tua oka Moses anka mentena is Misrim pra Egypt nka ye fa beta one day ensukom di wo omu nyansuo nom for 3 days ena omu kɔ nyame anu na Moses Awurade ka kire ne sɛ onko kan kire abuo bi da hɔ oduru hɔ a onfa poma na ɔde man no na atumi wo mu ne enkyere so na ɔde kyerɛ so wia onkasa nkyerɛ ɛboɔ de sɛ ɔma ne nsuo nom tie ne yo afi ɔkɔyɛ na ɔkɔgye nkra na ɔba no na Israelfo mpanyimfo ni ɛdɔm ni bi hyia Moses na ɔmo kyekyere no na ɔmo di na tam de ɔbɔbɔ na so mbɔ na so na Moses di abufuo ɛkɔgyina aboɔ no ho ɛna ɔde poma no ɛhwe boɔ no so pau ɔde hwe boɔ no so no ɛhɔ ene Nyankopɔn teye no si Moses wasori atia me se fa poma ne kire buo no so manka se fa bobuo no so adentia satan no man Israel ahye na bufuo o ma hye ne yaw ama ode abufuo de ahwima ma wate Nyankopɔn anum asem so atua ho na Awurade ka kire Moses se owura san no aye okay on kasa ho no of odada Moses did ko gina mountains ene Awurade tene ne nsa sɛdeɛ bonsam ade Yesu ko gina mountains ɛkyerɛ ne wiase ahenie no ɔnso kyerɛ no ɔse wahu ɔse deɛ ya ɔse ane ɔse ɛyɛdeɛ ɔse Moses ɛse Awurade mahu sɛ kuro fifɛfɛfɛ ɔse kuro wei ɛna nka mede wo Moses woba nanso so wo de boma abɔ me wogu m'anim ase what disrespect me ɛne ntuma kɛse wo Moses wani behu Kena nso na nsi hɔ saa sɛb no baaya na yɛ story a ɛwɔ ho no now wani behu Kena nso na nsi hɔ Moses di yaw ɛne areho owu gya wo mo ampa wahu na ni hu Kena nso ne na nsi hɔ saa de we owu ya according to Zechariah chapter 3 and Jude chapter 1 verse 9 saa de we ntino wanya oje kopim se Messiah no ekɔ asama adko yi Moses firi hɔ esuma archangel Michael eman ko okinkan Jude chapter 1 verse 9 a ɛwɔ hɔ okinkan Zechariah chapter 3 a ɛwɔ hɔ omo did the same thing to do Joshua ema Joshua de abufuo ekasa tie nyame omo ana eben no ema Joshua so kum efatugu enti Moses ono ankasa ne yamuba ono ani yamuba wa wo ɔsɛe wo mu nyina adentia because ne yire no influence wo mo ema enkwara nsori a na omo disrespect to om papa tie nie omo ni respect ade mo papa omo gu om papa ani mu aseka de omo pa bi a kyere no enti abra Moses ti ase wantimi anhyira ono ankasa ne ma ono ankasa ne ma wantimi anhyira ono ne yire wantimi anhyira ono because oba ne betray no wantie ne enti Moses de ya o kese ne yire ti ne yire anya oje sa familiarism we no edidi mu ama Jacob enso be wo ne ma okinkan Genesis chapter 49 verse 1 downwards Jacob friend ne manyina tenase no ka kire ne mase muntie me ne mma maako 11 o kesi wo mu nyina ba ko pe ene oje no eno ye mema o mema maako 11 who said Jacob mama man no say 12 ena oba ba ko ka ho ena 13 omo anu anu ma wo no Diana eni ni nua mu nyina kese wo ne ba panyina ye frɛ ni Ruben o ye mistake ekofa o papa girlfriend a papa ne na wo enso ne ko die ene ne nyemoye ema areho omo free say e omo papa enti omo respect no the reason tia asofufuom bebre omo ma asay no familiarism ti na ma omo ma asay o because ne yiri ana say sofo ne ma no omo free say e omo papa but ade omo refri ni say to me ati omo papa so enti to me no onim omo e omo papa no onim no enti wo ka papa no na ye ne ya to me ni be say o but omo nim ne sa enti Jacob to me na wo Jacob so no o di shira ne baba ko pa frɛ ni Joseph ne mama akoma 9 na 11 na ye mema no o kese wo mo keke eye Joseph achiriba ye frɛ ni Benjamin o katren se wo ma kese we free na ko be dani pataku abrabom na o papa katren se o be dani pataku abrabom a ya de pa nya de pa tienie Ruben o katren se wo Ruben nka me mabakan no enka obarima bia o first born so ye bema one ye neniye one ye okese a wodi ne hurahura ho anka wodi wachijan nanso de o maame ma ne ye nti any disrespect nti okese Ruben o katren se Ruben wa foro papa mpa no wagu no hu fi eni nto wo be ti se nsuo wa abrabo oni nyina da wa kese no o kese no you can say David is what David master the same thing familiarism Bible say David die or ye sonko ten nipa nyina enso na ne yire enhu ne saa omo ane ma wa wo omo Absalom a day or ne papa girlfriends mako 10 and a die one day or she one day to say and can never there you na Absalom atimi achi wo papa girlfriends abom mako 10 ewum na enye familiarism because onim say eye ne papa after onim no on the wo no into onsuro no amfa no na ni re free say to me wo papa no so ni re free say to me wo papa no so enti Absalom na brabo sei ankosi anga ye bass of payini Eli mama Eli yire Eli so for payini Eli ne yiri mu no ne yiri fi say after all me ne wonete me ne wada mahu said ye woto mahu said ye obey masitie o boss o testicles nyina makuram krada bi wo kra make say kra so for payini Eli ne yire bi kra wa money BJ pay. Inti na can you say, who are you? After all, I've seen your nakedness. And inti sad yen continue ye. And inti ama so for payini ne ma Eli ma amu omo papa. Tienio Eli ne ma amu omo papa. Omo call communion service la. And then ye be communion service to say can Tuesday. Instead of say komu be kwa kogina ho na nka nyame tumi atimi di omaye adwan no mum akohwia communion wa nanom ye to collection no omahwia kodi sofo ma no me ka sembi dia be sia sembi so the same thing enti abra adoma chede no nyankopon pese wodi be ma obi no wo ma oba bi a ofiri baabi ene be wu odifuo bi a ye frɛ ne Samuel ema adoma chede ne ba no so abranka adoma chede no ke free of pain Elisua na wo se ke kɔ ne maso straight as wo ma anya because of what gross disrespect and familiarism omunim ne ye papa na enyam papa ntino they don't care tienie ye ba eye Jesus ya nka say Jesus ni nuanom eye 7 Emema 5 Emma 2 enso ni nuanom ema no omo amu no enu nti Bible no o can original Bible na mumu King James Bible no de ye delete ni nuamba no story na film ye de mema no pede bae nanso so o hwe original Bible na o can dem o si na Yesu kesi ni nuamba sa empreso 7 times because omo disrespecting no omo gu na nimu ase they don't have respect because they think say enye ye maame ba no enye ye papa ba no eduru mre bi kura no say Yesu preach wi a na ni nuamba na si wo machi no omo ke kanse mu hunu eti ma steady sadie no ma steady sa niema we are running through sa eti me decide say me share sa patterns we sa niema we ya enipa omo be me no anka wo se me di tumi ne boa wo me ntimi mfa boa wo me de say wo mo rada because niema ya de wo mpe no eno no mo de be yaw de enti amempre dom bebrebe ne ebi na me kire wo ne no me mpre me ho dom ho because I know say it is not everybody that belongs to me and you be an yemedia obi wo obetimi ne manante but e be wi akire no be fall some way or fall so no okwa obekwa koka de wonye ye de wonim obeka to so but a reality sanity sometimes things happen for no reason. Okay, Matthew chapter 15 verse 24. When you read Matthew chapter 15 verse 24, okay, or say na obua say Israel fie nwan a wahira no enko aranchen na wosoma ame enti obi anyankopon soma ne bia no o purpose nti o de soma no obi a nyankopon soma no nti sofo minim so hwe me de nti amempere me ho no asekere no enye obi a na ye me dia onyame amamadom ama metumi. But no matter what you do, still familiarity will make people see you as a false prophet. And obi oha na adwene mu oha enu ti no die obi be ka kire di bia ono wagidi dia me kwata say die obi be ka kire ni bia ono wagidi say enipa no wa ma no enough evidence kura na still enipa no ogidi what so when you artist asem no na som no nko ade ono oba so obetie wa ama so obetie no ahumu no kore wanya ate oye ne de obagidi enti omo ben eye nyame nkrofo we no sa niema we ene toto wo mo. Now when you read Matthew 13, mami kire wade Matthew chapter 13 verse number 55, let's go there and check something. Let's go and check something from Matthew. Tienio, Matthew chapter 5. Tienio, Matthew chapter 13 verse 55. Matthew 13:55. Tiasmo kan. O say, enye dia dwomfo no ba no nie. Wo frɛ na Maria, ni nuanom Jacob, Joseph, Simon, and Judah, and what Yesu nuanom. 5. The Bible has shown 5, 4 of his brothers, with the inclusion of Jesus, making 5. Where are the other remaining 2? Who are the females? The 2 sisters of Jesus, where are they? Why? They didn't mention their name in the Bible because of gross disrespect. Sanya manintino, omanya oje. Enti enye nwanwa se bia miami nua miama busuani miami wofa bia miami ba ebeduru mire bi na maseno because we violated the rules of engagement. They are me catching nipa. I am not a pastor. Me nye pastor. Di enti atetefo no ye ma wo mu ntena fie no. Elia ntena fie, Elijah ntena fie, Moses mu ntena fie, de bi omo ti wura mu because otin kwase asem na ne bufu pe. Di obeka bia ebe ye adwuma, ebe di wachi, eye 100 years kura ebe di wachi abeseo. And into omo ntena fie se na be ya, omo mfa omo so ntin kwase asem na obi nka nse hunu mu omo bufu. Nenso so onyankopon wa ma mitumi wan frame yan kan terms of OPATAFUOR gitumi nefa ko se nipa ba o ka kire me se tumi na me dia ma no fa gi onipa ba nanso onipa ba benwa obe provoke obe ya ade bi ama wo dia hometie no ase no dia sasa wo di ma onipa ba no untimi mfa ma no because wa be create problem ama nipa bebre wo se me bless wo mo no o man timi anje nhira na mfiri mi nsem atania be ye curse niami nuan miama busua obi timi ka se OPATAFUOR wo nuan am se he na mi mfira busua yesu kura fira busua se me ye dibi be dua afie ho mi ni mi nchiri ba bia mi firi ni ba bia me ko nanso so onyankopon timi ntomi mfiri soro ametumi nto nkyena asase no so ye sa wo njimi ndi nti ejiso odi mi ko fira busua bi mu na baby odu ko free ye no ehon na ye problem no they will look down upon you, they will disrespect you, they will say everything nanto de ono no oben na wo senko onam na wo firi mu na wo hira no no onu mom na be disrespect you enti wo be ko odifuo bi afie no so odifuo no ye nsankyerɛ ne nsa den kora wo be hu na ne fiefuo bi abo asesa ne nua bi mu abo asesa ne nua bi mu yale ne nkronkro ne nguase bi da ne nua bi mu so because of say any dia was omode man no it is not there na ade eni ho no so utimi ye oye wo hwe a enye yie enti me de bia me kam se mama amadom me mama amadom enti me to asori mu a en ha me single say mama amadom and a few people I came for few people be na me bama omo se samote de me ye nase na metiam e wo sebe ne so se metiam me sori de bia meti he ya me kan se metiam na wo tia besene me enko se metiam na wo a wo hwe me no wo ti na wo pa besene me enko. Now let me tell you something. Go to Mark chapter 6. Mark chapter 6. Mark chapter 6. Mark chapter 6. If you have your Bibles with you, Mark chapter 6. Mark chapter 6, verse 1 to 4. Tienio. Now, Mark chapter 6 recount on when Jesus returned back to his own hometown, Nazareth. And when he went to Nazareth, whatever that transpired at that moment when he went there is written there. Mark chapter 6, verse 1 to 4. Let's go and read it out and see what actually happened. If Corona or free moon, if ye na ofiri mu no abusia na ofiri mu no tie di omode ye no Mark chapter 6 verse 1 to 4 can twi na atifi asem o say Yesu ko Nazareth verse 1 o say na ofiri hokoi na oba ni krom na suafo no di nachi na homeda duru ye no ofiti ase kyerɛkyerɛ wo hyiadan mu na nipa pi a wote no ho dwiri oyere wote ye no ho dwiri won wo kan se ehi na wei konya nioma yi nyansa ben na wode manu yi na saa ahoden nie a wode nsa yi ase ne sei tie bi o the miracle that Jesus have been performing, they were asking him, where did he get all these things, the powers, the wisdom, the way he speaks? Where does he get all these things? They were asking Jesus. Verse number 3. Mark chapter 6 verse 3. tie de om kan yo. O say enye dua dwomfo ne ba. Dua dwomfo no Maria ba no tie de yo. They first disrespected him. They looked down upon him. They actually spit on the face of Jesus. They ridiculed him. They said things to mitigate his level of authority physically. So look at what they said. I say, enye. Also, Obi, when people become fed up with you and your so-called God you are serving, Obi catch us enye ni persumesi. So as Obi enye sumesi, enye OPATAFUOR. That statement enye software sumesi. Yes, Obi be your program kesiye e wo London. Yen konkohwa yesi Reverend Adakwa. Once Obi onim Reverend Adakwa be jira enye Reverend Adakwa enye software Adakwa. On can Reverend Christ say Obi a enidie se no. On can obeka enye Adakwa. Sa on ebe yo se no die be hwe. No aka obeka enyoma Obi a na adwene mu ndoti a na gu hu fi. Enti se owo pepa bi so obebe no abenya ote a die o makanti omuma tienie. Enti verse 3 o say enye dua dwomfo no Maria ba no Jacob ni Yose ni Juda ni Simon nuanom nuanu nie na enye ni nuama na wo ni nchen hey na oye suntudua ma wom ote oye suntudua omo ka sa na ena Yesu nuaba bienu no oh amu wura mo na mpaboa no mo di nsole ma no eni dom na wo aso dem ho nyina atem etwi fa o mo so keka nkwase asem enti die ni nua ma ne ye ni ntino ebeye suntudua to ye kase suntudua to a se obi aya ade ama obi abamabu na we I say wa regret se obedi Yesu achi sa ne ma ni nti obeye suntudua to ni nua ma ne creative problem ni nua ma no o mu creative problem gu nanim ase enti ni nua ma no Yesu anfa woje ama wo mo nenso Yesu nua no mo ne de o ma wo mo enti ha we declare kire Yesu na busuafo familiarism did be ameka. You have heard a lot of stories about me, but whatever you have heard, keep it. It's your own cup of tea. But I know, say, I didn't come for everybody. I came for some special people, the elect, those who have ears to listen to Jacob 2:4. Asa. Until I don't see myself losing anything because I'm not doing the church or running the service for money. Say me ya sorry pescadia and me too me ya. But when I see that things are not going right as how I expect things to run, I'll close and take down the church. If we say I saw it down, I will say a nine at them. Some punching babu are met was all done because yes, you are ma punching. Now, verse 4. Listen to what Jesus said after the deliberate actions, the disrespect that his sisters showed up at the auditorium. Now, verse 4, I say, na Yesu si won say, any die mo odifo, jini krom, any die mo odifo, jini krom ni nabusunyafo mu, ni fie. Omo disgrace Yesu, omo gu nanim ase. Enti ono a Yesu aka. Ono a Yesu na ni nuama. Yesu na nkasa ni wofa. Eniyama bi wo ha yanka nkyere mo. Yesu no wofa bi wo. Dwuma odi di Yesu no. Asi we ni nuama. We ni ono a ni nuama. Ti Yesu show mu di, wo se enidie emmo odifo da. Under no circumstance would an outsider sit somewhere and disrespect me and say things and an outsider will never do that. But those who are close to you, those whom you have fed before, those whom you took their shame and reproach, and they said it to Jesus, looking at the situation is see yesu hwedin so odifo de enka enidie mo da obi abe respect o nanso so agini krom because ebia ye wo ketekete no na obi nimu ebi kuro obi to kokko ma udi enne wa benyina wo so yodifo nti obi amu opaka den obi amu now gini krom nabusuafo mu ni fie enti obi ye difo enso ne wo fan respect no obi ye difo enso ne brand respect no obi ye difo no ane maame respect no obi ye difo ono ane yiri respect no obi ye difo no ane nua e respect no obi ye difo na damfo e respect no such as life enti men ha me ho enti instead of say enka woso onipa ehira wo no else ko nipa hira wo no yes aneti o akoduru pempenso atumi no wo de say nipa ebi na tu Moses no ebi tu Yesu woni de ntia ko ne ko busa say Judas wo ye hwan eya read the Bible ni ye ne busa say Judas no ofiri hin Judas no ye Yesu abusuani o niam bi wo ha ye ntimi nchiremu and some of these things happened probably because of that. So familiarism. So in my ministry life, I'm a type, I don't fancy crowd. When I have 10 people, 100 people, I am content with it. If they are able to incline their heart to whatever that I tell them, I am content. I don't need 100,000, 20,000 people. I need people who understand what I want to do. And that's all. Ndina me nkwa duro so me nkọ konfuo bia ho so o ma me dom da me ko me hia dom wo konfuo no e dom na ade ma me de na me de nyankopon na me ye adwuma na ma no cross last minute e dom no kura wo de aba no obesa huhu so. So you see, waste of time for you to go to a fetish place that give me power. The only reasons why pastors run to zangomas, witch doctors and sorcerers, fetish priests and priestess for power is because of wealth. Because the more you increase your congregation, the more your resource, your wealth increases. So they need 10,000 people to follow them so that their offering or collection will also increase. In this sanity, and to me, I am not for anybody. 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 I am for the few people. I am for the few people. I am for the few people who have spiritual sight or spiritual insight. People who have what we call the spirit of discernment. Not these ones who have been bereft of discernment. People who are bereft of discernment. I am not in for them. And to be obemia. Now will be obemia to Suntibia. Obemia will be to me say, will be to be 2 car free brochuri or some call OPATAFUOR. Or OPATAFUOR no banhom. Ubusana say, OPATAFUOR no nyamishu, but more ben on my hand. Yes, I am not for that person. Senkame me or ye media. Nka di obi gina nchen di aye no, di obi gina nchen aka kire no enko onfa ho. Nti nye obi ana me ye me no. Nti me mpre dom ho. Me mpre dom. Me mpre dom ho. Me mpre dom ho. Nti me se me to asoli mu a enha me dokro kra se. Ya obi adwene en se wa to asoli be da didi. Nana me nya asori na me didi. Ha? So na me didi. Nti enya asori no se me ye asori na gisika no betia tight. The bar for the end and no me priority. And yet no, I came for few people. Enti omo na ben to me, obi open to me piano. To me no, usha Bible mu a to me ni say wo. Jeremiah onu an yiri to me ni say no. Jeremiah onu an yiri prophet Jeremiah onu an yiri to me ni say no. Enti me Say a pastor sitting at his office, a church auditorium, criticizing me. I normally don't give ears to that. The reason being that you don't know what I'm doing, right? And the few people in the society, as at the time of Jesus, who heard the message that Jesus was propagating and sat down and gave it a second thought to understand what Jesus was doing, they were the very ones who stood up and followed Jesus. So I'm not for the crowd. I'm not for the multitude. I'm for the few people, the ones who are gifted with the discernment of spirit. And then I'm domino, brother. Mempredom, mempredom, men hame hu or dom hu, men hame hu, me sorry amada, me bompa yana mabo. Familiarism ni sa nyama wenti. Nipa bebranya oje. Obi oha. Me shana enka. Especially Omwana me pe omasem e was in it. Me pe omasem pa no. Omu mom na hete me ma me de tumi ni ha wo. Ebi na ye Moses no. Womu na me pe omasem was in it. Omu asem to omu a me da me ntiminda. These are the very people they hate me so much. To the extent say I had no option than to open my mouth and curse them. Omo be me no, omo ne ha me mom, e ma me bie ma no e curse wom. Enso so yan kan kire me say me curse no. Ya ka kire me say me mfa oje an manipa. Me ma no kwa anwosan a e be wura ni no mpe. So instead of say and was surrounded by a juma buano, then was surrounding momo seno, and yes, Anna me peno, yes, Anna me pese. Gross disrespect. Obey your dear wompe. Obi to be chantro so, would be now your machine. Now I kuma sorry. All these things happened. And at the end of the day, there was also 2 million buano, 2 million to me muano, and those people, and the woman in a bread. Why never to me? Sorry, when you go to me so. Minia BBA ni o. So sometimes, how will be no ye dia, and my name say only BBA. And pay say, and once many she crown opposite in same. And the odifu ojire nyame animu anadwubia ona. Or bomb pie or ya conchene. Be careful with your utterances. You are a false prophet to her. Even a false prophet in book. Oko can asem. No one can hear. Ni 2 me now or the year you man be attack you. Ni 2 me now or the year you man be attack you. How much more? Busa zenit. Busa me prayer towers. Busa masofu one keto ane seminasi. Nebuso wam say OPATAFUOR wadada me night da every night bia me gina hoye sunsun adwuma bra wo beba beto me enti saa niam na me yem I was say me ma oil so na me de oil ne kof esoro a me de sofo ma I was say me kasa America fo nyame nhira mo Ewurade bie kwan to America fo abrabo so Ewurade bie kwan to UK fo abrabo so obi otin Accra bie kwan to na abrabo so obi oti Kumasi bie kwan to na abrabo so and by those prayers pronouncement and decree that I'll make over your life and na was spirit feeding on it to tap into its spiritual nourishment nemo make us say OPATAFUOR adia ma so ba we aka fa me hono eye me ya enye nhira mawda enye nhira the majority of the people, majority of the prophet, instead of the gift to help people, those who were closer to them, and destroy them. Gehazi, the young prophet Gehazi was working with a great prophet Yet, because he feels, say, I know the secret of this prophet, so whatever you tell me, I will never incline my ears to it. Gehazi used to look down upon the prophet. In their bra, akwani ba ya osan yarea. Odisika ene nioma ebre odifo no reject yen. O catch us onfana de enko. Gehazi enam sa na adwene ye ne se onimodifo ni ntino. Otwi fa so wa mu no ene ofa akire esi sofo nachi. Eko chant no se onyame difo se fama me. Indeed, me young pastors na bi be hye me na ase no. Sir, those gross disrespect. Obi abakura no. Na oma directing no, ye de na kwhye hotel baby. Me so no sole a metifie mada unim de ekoso. Eso na ye de na kwhye hotel. Indeed, the obeya no wa ye awie. Before say o mra so dem ho no no. Na de mesiesie me wa no so gina wo no. Wo bom pa ye se Nyankopon enye bibi. Emfa ma nipa bia. All babia buso obi o was senate a free prayer tower ka ekọ asofo so neko church administrators ne omo say so opatafuo be ye program a meda me now me gina tintin sa because minim say America fo oba Germany fo oba we fo oba obu nyina e bab say nyame nhira omo enti o say me ma me ho kwan me nyame edi nhira ma omo na omu firi ha kwa de oyare ne ho atoro de ekabita no so ne ho atoro de owuo bi nti no odwane ba na ne ho atoro saa ne ma we enu nti menna enu nti wonna na wo de phone ama asofo nketo ase je na obi fra wa wo ne na kasa no onso fa call na oyiyi bi firi na secretly or charging crofo no oji crofo sika ba de oya no onim say baby a ubejira wano akese ni bia no na brabo a end because once o shebe nase me dem wosra gu so da na ubeya ade a me na me ma wone ompe se jai na wan jai no me kese wa upatwum ubetimi ajoki akoda twea ubetimi aye everything but you can never revoke the curse because God does not live at Atwea mountains. God does not live in any bush. God resides in men. So ask yourself, what actually came upon me, what resided in me that made a pronouncement of curses against your life? So unless you come back and render apology. So majority of the people that I was supposed to bless in life, they are suffering right now. I was saying, and 2 minutes boy, omo bread. Asem bi wo ho a eye musuo ni kwansa wo de wasotie. Se obi timi frɛw. Now I voice out a derogatory message against a reverse personality of my type. Obi timi frɛw no akan kwase asem poto no de agu ho fi. Unimu no. Like now so no wajia to muti wana wutie. Now him say go against you. It will go against you. Be ana wunshira na mkwa mu ba. Enti automatically na dia na wose nipa ne ye. Enti ne bebre omutimi send you message. Papa, whatever that I have done, I'm sorry. Obi timeka papa me bredodo. Obi ho anu send you message. Papa me bredodo. Papa ni o man ko yie ma me. Papa me papa me show na ase na ni o ma ko yie ma me. Die me die kura ending. Ni ma bisa nipa ne se sunsum na me de ne nam no oyi ohia ana we ye hohomone we ye tumi a omani si nipa yie omani si nipa yie we ye tumi a omani si nipa yie omo ne me nam secretly omo ne me nam secretly me mo ma public me we sikafo a omo ne me nam secretly omo ma public ade bi omo ye bia ye Oma ye cham. Those people don't talk much, but the obusan $100,000. Oh nyano. The obusan $10,000, £10,000. Oh nyano. Onu osenka. o man who kwan nanka wo hira no onu mom na a creative problem onu mom na creative problem na ne bre na all bre no now sad yaw now sad ya kese nti wi ase ya the whole Ghana tie the whole Ghana so fu bien ma o ya doye externally me kire wade asofo no o ya doye e wo Ghana ha no tie upa monitor omo sorry monitor what they are doing. If you think what I'm saying is lies, go and make these visibility studies out there. Go and conduct these checks. Ube wuru say also oye asori baby adoya. Now wakati na asori man say bia brasoli 5 months 6 months oba asori like auto collection. I don't say 5 months no uba the Sunday uba Tuesday uba Wednesday Thursday then uba juice ka no de atoko or de aboabo no no said that e de abeya wadoye nti wadwene o se waboa. It happens. Asofu asofu e ya doye wo Ghana obie nu hono ma ofiri abonten kwa obema o sikada ana obeye wadoye da eye omo tene nase nti wo se opemmoa jai wo asori na akono nebra ono ne nase sa na omo ye no opa go and check it. And so me opatafuo nko a ena uye Pentecost ni o uye Assemblies of God ni o uye CAC ni o uye hwan o me mfa ho ni asori a wokọ o onya ba asori me ye program wo ba ho kire obi wo awurade timi ka kire me say nipa we boa no de ya ye no enya no ne ba camera mu o se ma ye obi adoye wo camera mu na conditions are attached to adoye na me ye no na me ni any chance bia na I have to do it publicly, but behind the scenes I am for camera insiso ehon ye boka kese ye rented time money pa ye tua dom school fees ehon ye enyoma bi wa me pese me chiro me top picture bi dia chiro me forget myself me neglect myself ehye atare we. How many times have you seen me wearing this? Several times. And ya atare ne hia me totally we $5,000. Now obi hu chire no obi here duro no anu manyankwa mekwa kotofo satare na me de sika na kana ya doye. That's how I live my life. I have the less privilege at heart. And so the saddest aspect of it, sorry no, you give your all to them, still they have a different mindset, a different mentality, a different understanding. They do maybe I don't feel like say allow people to get closer to me. Stay wherever you are. When you feel that at your own convenience, if you feel like coming to online to watch me, then you come to OPATAFUOR YouTube channel, then you listen to me and go and stay home at peace. Why? Because I realized that people kept on hurting me frequently. And instead of me to use the power to bless them, I was rather destroying them, cursing them, and destroying them. And I didn't want it in that way. So, to cut the long story short, I have to let go of everybody. Go and let me stay at peace. They did the same thing to Jesus. They did the same thing to Peter. They did the same thing to everybody. Read the Bible very carefully. Did you ever saw anything in the Bible that was being written about the wife of Apostle Peter? What who say ya Peter yeda? Eye Peter nasi oba ena na yare e frɛ ne yare fufuo. Na high fever. Oh, eye Peter nasi so. Na Peter eye nioma bebree. wantimi anje ne nkwa. One day and a Master Jesus eko fie no kosa Peter na ase o yare. Efiri ho no Peter yere wa mu ni da. Uni hwi utimi yesofo. Oye hwan. Enti Peter nyam dwuma oyeye ne yere an support no da. Esuafo ni bebere omo yere an support o. Enye se Peter no oni yire o. Na Peter wo yire ana na ase bema na ase ba yare fufuo. Enti Peter fie na no omote. Eso what he says. Enti si to me na wo se Peter edi shira ne ma no. Enti mi enshira wo mo ese wo mo. Peter to me na wo so odi shira ne yere no. Odi shira na ase no. Wenti mi amfa enshira no. To me na wo se me di shira omo ni bie no menti mi amfa enshira wo mo. Me di ase wo mo because they cause a lot of problems. They cause a lot of problems. Inti womu ni sika a womu na nke hie nyame adom. They never value it. Womu wo sika na omabo bra no. Omu na wo ha no afasumas no afro papa. I want to come and see you. Imagine obi a otimi chow $30,000. Obi otimi chow £50,000. Obi otimi chow £10,000. Obi otimi chow £15,000. Say nipa no onye hia ni o ne ho nkyere no. But say nipa we na oba onchen a omumom ne ba. They humble themselves for you to give whatever that you have for them. Whatever that you have, you give it to them. And Joseph Arimathea, I know a prime minister as at that time. Ewo nana Kaiser Augustus na baemu. Na odwane osumase ko Yesu ho. Now, yewo nipa bi ti say Nicodemus. Na also nam sumase ko Yesu Nicodemus no abobra won sika. Enso na Yesu niama. Omu pie to kura na Yesu na toma o. Because emayo amasisusu mu mobra. Yesu na ye bapanyini. And so omu mu Yesu bako. They disrespect Jesus. They disrespect Jesus. So instead of Jesus to use the power to bless them, my own family, instead of me to you, Nanka said, the hufu bi pia busuamu a tienie. The reason ti a onyankopon se onyame di odifuo bi ko pia busuamu a odimu pie ho se onyame de ogye ama abusua no sa abusua we I want to aso bi a generations bear 10 generations bear 4 odifuo bi ani abusua no enti onyankopon edi sa odifuo no tienie odi odifuo no epie ho pa odi ogye ene ma wo mo se mo abusua no efiri na ekọ ma mo ha mo hu biem because mo nye onyame wo fie ho na so se abusua no obehu no na sebe o ma dwene ye different wo aboa no na wa kekere no wo dwene tugu because adwene na wu adwene no awu enti Elisha oba bi na ji Elisha boss o oba bi Elisha to me engumu abupami enu na onyankopon de ma no nyina Elisha ne wofa Elisha ni nua ba Elisha ni maami nuanom ni papa nuanom obie ni ho a onya to me ne so emfaso eye oba bi a no wote ne ba bi ona nya to me ne so mfaso ona nya to me ne so mfaso on the far Elisha didn't go fie e see diamond no damu e krokro no e shed the monyam e no odifuo no so e di ni hire nyina ma no na mi busa se odifuo Elisha de na busuafo we ni wofa we ni bra mu we ni nua no mu we omu nyina ensem huru omu di woni na asenti opam omu nyina kese wo mu because you see emoja mu onyunu sirinsu emu oduru sirinsu ensoso enei no ensuo mom na emu oduru sire eye emoja if you say well uni a uni ni firi maame baako de oni ni firi papa baako oye wade mpa onwene ho me check it enkrofo bi a omo ye omo ho se omo ben tie ni o me hwe enkrofo bi omo ye omo ho se omo ben omo akoduro so omo akodiwe na omo twa me mpoa tie ni o omo twa me mpoa saa opatafoɔ na ye hwan wa bia onye bibi like me tia no ma ye din sa category of people no ku omo ato agu no enye dom ketewa o akwaba akubi ku amaku sankrofo na to agu no na subusam se sankrofo no onyankopon ka kire me se minji omo ana me se o nenso liawo eni ahometie nti obi betwa o mpoa wa abrabo hu ayo wo ye kwan wo bibi aye bibi now they ahometie you want to prove a point once was say no wiase no obre obi wo hade obedie kura ente obi hwe me de obedie obi ti Ghana Kumasi enkran oni ma nante pen oteme na asem na niam akoyie na anya bia ne 10 series bi de no onye di na beduru mere bi no obenya evil thought misconception and now obre keke obre enra obi ma me rehoe oso papa me yale papa auto asole mu me yare ma ko hospital yesi me kidney nyina say o cancer no na wo se agu me na me reho oso papa ka asole wo ho na me hya wo na ase a nka we ento me nenso so me yare sister me can crash me mpre dom ho because I know I don't belong to everybody. There are few people and found some me am yirimpo me worry oba ebia me ne tens na I don't belong to her and found say me wo ba and so now a man they don't belong to me and I don't belong to the children and to me now was me di shira enkwala no ubehu na me di ase wo mo. When you hear some of these things, don't be surprised because it has happened continuously. When you read from Bible, yes, Jacob said, Abraham, Noah, Onua ne Baham, Ham na no penasem, Ham and no penasem, Noah, Onua ne Baham, on a no penasem, because on a yetuntum womb, or more canny a cocoa, Ham and a yetuntum, Onua ne Bah. As was shiny dean, and nam de and banny the year nunti, or the ahometian or castle cat, or say, oh, ham, Obe Brenward Dias, who ye be nida, who ye be new, who ye be ni. Who did your brain in Abaquac or Sumuni animum? Ham, Niam paying for Shem, Japheth, any ham. Shem and Japheth, Bakukotina, Asia, and a Bakukotina, Europe, and then. Ham na odi na ni kire Africa ene ye nipa tuntumi nanso ade a ahra ho ne se ham asefo omo ye Ghana fo Nigeria fo Zimbabwe fo Rwanda fo Kenya fo all the African continent belongs to the generations of Ham and nam kesa no wade to ne sunti o se ye be brene adua so ye nya bi ni enuti ye dia timba ni ye dia koma abrofo no na ye bre obeko school there bi musisi a me no kase enkonya nkwala ne betena so mpo no omu ni bi wo ho enso timba no ye twa no Ghana ha adentia ye se ham ebedua enso onni bi ye tu gold pa enso so ope gold hu nsuo mpo se owu wo Ghana ha na ye se kope gold hu nsuo bra ne nyankwa sister ubewu because ye too gold ni nyina ye de koma Shem ene Japheth asefo adentia papa no to me na ne kura no wano na wo se wo de hira ne ba no ne so eye Shem ne Japheth no na omu papa eye Ham na be omu papa into okese no because Ham free say me kura me papa pe ma asem me crown, me na me closer to my father than everybody. Inti odi yaw, papa ne di yaw. Oh, we guni papa ni muase. Wako husa ni papa ntohwe. ne papa testicles and that one thing one cover no sanity you one bell or quatisa ye go fear instead of so be protecting one or no mom the being to man says and yes I now come cry maybe me who say now part of what you be say and me cry some I walk can no correct media diampa onye obekum nipa obenum nkwala moja obeye bonefo obeye se na onu mom asa bie kwan ato ho meka say di onu gina onu bie kwan ato ho no onu mpo na wa protected because harm na okohu wo papa no wa deja na okwa abonten ekokan ye no no kwasem ewo mu ni say no kwasem teni o no kwasem ewo mu ni say abra ensuo ni sha ase say eto no na one ni girlfriend ahwemu a omuti kwaye bia se omudi do enso so no wajai ni nyina akohwehwe ono ane ba ha ne papa pe ni yie nti okoje no me pa wi yie nti me bompa ye o achi na so ti ma asem a no aye me pasa umpo na otro me totwene enti enka wo ha se nyame na me ba be frɛ wo a enka wo ha no wo enka wo ntimi wura ship ni mu bi nanso so do you know something Noah has sacrificed him and Abraham instead of saying Abraham no ebe katop papa nakedness because one no sample ne be ma dabonti onu mom ne ko bodda wuro de besi bia nyame asem and sister tiasie so OPATAFUOR I'm not for everybody. I belong to few people, those who will mature to my level and understand what I'm saying. Because what I'm saying, I don't preach. Get this once and for all. I am not a preacher. I'm not a preacher. John the Baptist was a preacher. Listen to me. John the Baptist was a preacher. Moses was a preacher. Joshua was a preacher. Now, Isaiah was a preacher. Jeremiah was a preacher. Ezekiel was a preacher. All these, Malachi, Micaiah, and those apostles, they were all preachers. But Melchizedek was not a preacher. Melchizedek was not a preacher. Listen to me. Zadok was not a preacher. Jesus was not a preacher. Now, Enoch was not a preacher. All these people, they speak mystery. So it takes people who understand, who are matured enough to understand what they are saying. Until they don't belong to anybody. They belong to few people in the society. So when you look at the storyline of these people, look at what happened. Diminuya 2 million kuramen. Yedi pay. Obienu ma wati asoria. Ose opedom a mintimi enkyere wo de obeye wo nyame mu. Emma edom empu ni wachida. False prophet for no. Unim de omdi pudom. Sa azana omni nkrofo ye hihye homo ombedi adanse ye no. Ena nkrofo tia na omdi mirika na oma abiwechi wo mo na omdi mirika aba omo na ase. Nenso so genuine power of God e wo ha. Ye betimi ayama o akire o de obeye. Na wa asori ya page. Ene me no ka say e chena me se me bia sori a. E don free chichi ni benche na beba. Not because of anything you. Me nkote teme techena maso me nkoji tumi bia. Die me nimu no ye ji koptumfo asa. Wasi be bia mbebo me di bia no. When you read the book of Enoch, listen to me. When Enoch had the opportunity to transcend to heaven, when he went to heaven, there was one particular angel who said something to Enoch. Now, angel no, I catch Enoch say, na ewiye mre mu no. Jacob tumfo no ni bi ye be reveal e de akire wiase. na wɔn mutiri nsa bɛyɛ mutiri bɛyɛ yie no na ati edin no ne bɛnya nhyira na ade a ɛnwanwa ne sɛ Abraham wa mehu Jacob tumfo ni din enti no ɔfrɛ no El Shaddai na ebi mu frɛ no Adonai, Elohim, El Gibor, Sebaot, El na ebi mu frɛ no din bebree. But one particular scripture ɛwɔ Bible no eduru saa prophet no so deɛ Jacob tumfo da no ho adi na ɔka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ wo free na comedy di say fa frɛ me no saa edin emidie mu tumi di ama wo prophet we fa kokɔgye me ma die din no ɔmo frɛfrɛ me ni nyinaa no tumi ni me din pa sha da come to say kɔ na fa kɔgye me ma ɛna prophet ne de nam yɛ nhyira no sɛ wadwene nya wo ntanta de obɛte afa me ho bia yɛ wawasɛm. It's your own cup of tea. Now let me tell you something. Oh shemi yame ya aduma efiada akwanchere wo ho, because we are actually doing our 31 days fasting. Ode aduro so betimi ayede edidi enkoye bi, but betimi abompa, you can pray, right? Listen to me. Be a hunchero ebi hunchero wo modo ebi hunchero wo mo mi wo tumi so fu be le betimi aka se wo tumi mi nkwa na me ka bio mi wo tumi mi na mtimi kasa me de woje ama untimi nka bibi ko untimi ma obi woje Yesu no ka twa se mama woje entina Yesu ka se bi wo Bible mo efese o se awura ko me de oboni achew ehwa na Farisifo no buafu obese han ni sa nipa we ya otimi di obi boni eche no enya Messiah no ko na betimi di obi boni ache no wose ani sa ne enimu no enso Yesu se me de oboni achew ya me nshira nipa now nyankopon ya adom a efiada yebehia but Thursday call Rhyme TV, RIME TV. Go and subscribe over there. Obi wo ha ope adwuma. Oho kyerɛ ope loan. Bia ope ba. Okay, mami yi ban film e ba de bebre so wo mpe ba. Bia oti abrochire. Trump ne nsem semini de oyi bia na usuro se ya to atwene he de waba. Bia ope bibi ede na ope bibi wa awurade mu. Listen to me. Bia ope bibi wa awurade mu ana bibi ato kopa ade we enema miensa ne ebe yo ara kwankyere 3 ne ebe. First one eye de me ma okopa ye na me ma wa kwankyere no make sure say we be kipi mane wo. Now there's another one. Ko ne kopa sa cinnamon sticks na bi. Cinnamon sticks tienie. Ko ne kopa cinnamon sticks. Pedudu bi a obetimi bia. Uhia pe bay leaves. Tienie. Uhia pe bay leaves eka ho. Pe bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves. Sa nyema we mienu. Me be kire wade ade be na Friday ma kire ade ye fine. Listen. Now fe kokope okay, Friday me the next one na me dey atoaso. Now cinnamon sticks no we sofo na open don one enipa ma wa sorry like bi a ho kire o pese enipa boa na utimi enye sika no nye onu ani nyam ni sika sunsun o pese enipa boa na utimi call promised land. O pese o ministry advance mo a mo be kwa cinnamon sticks any bay leaves no de obeye ni open loan, instant loan. Bia uhie sika but I said niema no aye some star. Me ba sa me beboa o. Den so una wan hunu me ye. Una wan hunu me kura. Wona o say wo de waso atete nsem bebre. Uhia nyame tumi e de aye nyame adwuma. Mame kire wade. Excuse me, I'm coming, okay? TNA. Mo amudi machi no, ebia we ye newcomer. Wow, ye newcomer no. Mo amudi machi dada, mo die nie. Wow, ye newcomer so a undi machi bia akọ asori dada no. Edru house make sure de obey. Now mo amudi machi dada ne de kope cinnamon sticks. Ne kope eye bay leaves dudu obi a ope bia. Now, dia obeye nie bia ope boy bi. Tienie bia ope boy bi. Nemom de me be kire na wo de pep ana bia ope se o ware. Tienie eno wo de ye me enye yie. Enti me ma nkoto cinnamon sticks ni bay leaves. Ne ma mo akwankyere na de abecha no me da bi kokocha me obi fufuro enti me de enye yie. Wo de ye me enye yie. Fa se otrim sa. Okay, let's proceed on to the next one. Now, the obeyeni. Ukope cinnamon sticks na. Mostly. Me dia gro bi beye maduro beti na OPATAFUOR me ti oba bi fie. O frem kura me ma edru Tuesday ni Sunday ni Friday numera. O frem ya me ma because obi a chano me. Now, ukope o cinnamon sticks and o bay leaves na. But enya sure say mo amu abrochire mo betimi aye akwankyere ni bia, but some betimi aye bidi afan. De obeye ni. Oh say Henry Glover, Mr. Ampo obehu no omo yusu ankasa utumi no omo de amafia. Obetina meti gay bi so. Obeti so OPATAFUOR na ni gay bi ti singing room no abra me wo mansion si wo. So matiwa kwatena singing room. Me ubekom na me amitumi no de ayemesa. Enti ewasa me di nkan yi me hu free spiritually ansana dia ka no fa koye bema bia se ukunu se wondo tienie me be kira o se de nyame tumi sitie se ukunu se wondo boy bi ye no hon longo bia e ma no we de mo taste o mo lie na oba bema krono so e tough no de or a tough am kira wa de kope bay leaves kope cinnamon sticks ni bi now ukope cinnamon sticks ni bay leaves ni bi aboa no awu oil we awu sa oil we me amedea enye obi adea awu sa de we fa bi pete so me we ye mu amudi machi no fa sa oil we fa bi pete so mu wa brochire no ambo special seed no me ma mo oil we bi samokai me ma mo oil we bi mokai me ma mo oil we bi we eye me we ka say me or ma fa sa de we fa pete cinnamon so any bay leaves ni so mane ndo so kakra e do so kakra na wa peja fa kwa bonti na shi wo shiri nyina na wo ka wa asem wo hia mani wie ntina meka sa abrochirefo no because abrochirefo uso jawo ba bia wo na ahwa na ya chew ahwa na ya wo de ntie bia wo abrochire wo ntimi ye but obi wo Ghana de obetimi aye. So what happened is say we wo de peteso na wa hye make sure say obehye amana dane enso wo hye mane dane enso wia then wahie no asesa enso no na do nsa aposa na aye muhu kama then opa obehuhusu a na wasa enso na wahuhusu no e egu hanky white ni na wachechira bonpo wo de beye ne yoma Friday de me pesa o ye ni samre yakopim Friday na ma kira o de o de beye tienie now we cinnamon anyway me bato we menton ena ebisu ni ho we ye me am personal use ba me de kire made mo a mo ba 29 for no so no sa oil na me de ma mu ni nyina eye we bia mo a mo ba 29 for no eye we bia mo a mo ba 29 for no eye we bia nti mo a mo sa oil ni bi wo ho bia no eye we bia we me de ye me nioma onim de ntia se we udi dware a ha enipa pe wasem enipa do eyi time free so e ma wonya onyame ani onyankopon ani mu adom de ntia ese Yesu onya enipa ani nyankopon ani mu adom no is because ye wo no ye de me frankincense spikenard ena sikakoko eni edi dware no nti hwa we yese me na ya kan ebi ni bebrebe eye hwehwehwam mo a me mam we bi mo a me mam we bi no eye last year no mo a me mam we bi no opa hwe bi hwe eye hwehwam de ye no nan wo hwia wo de boa enso na no nyame ya adoma Friday fa hwia me nemom wo a wo ni oil ni bi so no e ma ne how kopel bay leaves na kopel cinnamon sticks dudu obi a opebia opel cinnamon sticks a then wa bompa ya guso kakra nyagidie na nyihunu se nyame tumi tiase then you pray over it bompa ya kakra guso no akenkan Psalm 91 nemom wo a odi oil begunu su no de enkenkan Psalm 91 wo a woni bi no penekin kan Psalm 91 na also hyiade no o hyiade no o hyia no wahuhusu no asa enso no na also wakyekere ewo hank white mu now they are to ho e de atwem efiada nyame adoma anwumere 8 cinnamon any bay leaves any de ye adwuma na obi beka se opatafo bia eya abosom nioma ana bibisa. Sometimes I take my time to explain things to you people so that you don't go out there and misquote me. Now, Exodus, open your Bible to Exodus chapter 30 verse 23. Tienye, open your Bibles to Exodus chapter 30. Exodus chapter 30. Exodus chapter 30, verse 20. Exodus chapter 30, verse 23. Na me chewa di. Enu ni making kind Bible. Or say, take thou also unto thee principal spices. When we talk about something being a principal spices, which means God himself does not joke with those spices. One of pure ma, and answer me. The edit become my yesu ebini of pure me. This one is called pure me. Of pure me, pure me, pure me. Take this. When you read it, it is there. Or say of pure me, 500 shekels. God instructed Moses to do it. He says, take to yourself a pure myrrh, 500 shekels, and of sweet cinnamon. Sweet cinnamon. Now, cinnamon, anything I want me to kopebino. I will say, me mam webi. Aun, tienye, me mam webi. Me mam webi. Moi, moi, about 29th. One about 29th. Mo de mo anya webi. But me share that this idea we tell home. And ya all you are na woman no na ye me. Momo de an answer 29th. All you na me de mam was so them na ye webi. Aha, we ye me. We a pure cinnamon. A shisham. The purpose of this, we use it for deep revelations, dreams, and then 70% for money. So we'll be watching for money pa. And the way the patrol, I don't have it. This is my personal. This is for my personal use. I don't give people. So this is it. Now, when you read it, or say, and of sweet cinnamon, half so much, even 250 shekels, and of calamus, 250 shekels. Now, when you read it, it is there. So you see, go and get yourself cinnamon. Said the machuron, shit, huhuso, fatwemi ifiada. Sa boy no way ho gaga me boy. Mema na hwudom say. Mema no me kasi ana o madwa. Sister, mema o di bibia yiye no wat. So ukunu si wo ye no sa ase wondo bi ase wo pa asa ade no mpe boa. Friday mema na kananum asem. Me mema na confess ya kiro. Asa wo frɛ na wo fa bi wo ye no gaga bi. Friday mema okura wo frɛ no no na be frɛ me efrɛ mo patafo. Na mmom no mesrɛ wo ye oba me wo ye me a enye yie because me before say me mo akwankyere no me mekɔ rems akoyi me ho afiri ntimi ye nkyam me nyame Israel